Right, so when did you decide to become a chef?
I decided to become a chef when I was very young actually. I think mentally what is karma? Hi, I'm Giovann and I'm the executive head chef at Norma, London.
When did you decide to become a chef?
I decided to become a chef when I was really young, I think mentally. I always wanted to be a chef since a very young age, and but I actually became a chef. I started studying to be a chef when I was 16, 17, and yeah, the rest is history.
So do you have a signature dish or a preferred cuisine you like to cook?
I really like cooking barbecued fish, seafood. That's really where I come from. Yeah, basically barbecue meat, fish. But I love doing pasta as well, so I think that's two things that I really like to do.
Perfect. Like, what's the one ingredient you can't live without in the kitchen?
I think one ingredient that I can't live without is probably garlic. I love garlic way too much. Yeah.
Perfect. So, what has been like the highlight or the best moment in your career so far?
I think the highlights of my career so far, I think it's been becoming the executive head chef of Norma, London. Yeah, that's definitely one of my biggest highlights. Since I've worked here from the opening, and I've built my way up. So I'm very delighted.
And what is it about cooking that you enjoy most?
There's a lot of things I enjoy about cooking. There's a lot of things actually I enjoy about cooking. I think cooking in the kitchen at work is one thing, and I enjoy the pressure of it and the high moment, the speed that we need to go with, especially during this period. I think that's what I like, cooking in the kitchen at work. Cooking at home is more relaxing. It's just in my zone. I'm in my zone. It's just my time to relax really. And yeah.
Do you have any cooking secrets or tips you would want to share?
I think one cooking secret or tip, it's not a secret if I tell it, is it really? So I can't say a secret, it's not a secret, it's a tip. I think as long as you enjoy it and you make people happy, I think you're a good chef. If you don't make people happy, then...
Yeah. Anything else you'd want to share?
I think if there's anything about cooking is use fresh ingredients, use seasonal produce, go with nature, and don't force anything. I think simple is best.
Perfect. Great.